Hello guys, this is 2011 X5 50i V8 twin turbo. I'm replacing the wishbone, which is this part here. I didn't see no videos. Sure, you guys want to see this. So, got a breaker here. There's a cover in here that I took out, which is that. Safety first. Make sure you guys got all the safety. Take all the safety measures as you can. And get some light. Okay, so open there first. Then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna open this thing. Let's see how it goes. So far, I loosened that up. It took a little bit of force. For these guys, you could probably use the impact wrench. So I got this one. It's a really powerful one. You can get one of these. It does the job. So the control arms I have already changed. This is the control arm here. If you can see, get you guys some light. Control arm was pretty easy too. Loosen that up. I use a star because I don't have that size. So hex. So I use a 21 star, and this thing works just as well. As long as it's tight, doesn't move too much. Make sure it's not wiggling and moving around too much. I use this for all of these. Almost all of them, not all of them exactly. So I swapped that. It was a little hard to get it out. If you could see this, you have to put in a hex tool, a small one in here, and a larger one out here. And while you're twisting that, you gotta hold this, vice versa. And then I also swapped the sway link bar. It goes from here, right here. I'm swapping these parts because my car is making weird noise, and I'm trying to figure out which part is it. This car is almost like 8, almost 10, you know, 10 years old, 9 years old. And it's good to like swap these. I mean, I like doing this, so I do it for fun. So I swap this, take that out, unbolt that, and then just comes right off. That was easy. This one, you have to maneuver it, trying to wiggle it out, because this joint here, it's in there pretty good. You have to tap it, you have to rock on this a few times, and it'll come off. Alright, so this video is about the wishbone. Let's continue. Gotta get that out, get this guy out, and over here, this part. Alright. Put you guys right here. Breaker bar, really good, comes in handy. Get yourself one of them. keep that there. Keep that in there. Give it a few whacks. Comes off pretty easy. I don't know if you guys saw that. Just whacked it in here. Like, not even that hard. Just tapped it. Came right off. Oh, make sure you loop the bulbs at least a day, I would say. Drive it, and then just makes your life much easier. Get that out. Yeah. Video.
What?
Video.
Oh my god.
Can you go?
No, I'm scared. You're gonna kill yourself. You've never done this before.
Get it out just like that. She thinks I almost killed myself. Get out of here. wipes. Okay, so that's out. I had to screw that out. Okay, where's the thing? All right. Got that out. Next stop is this guy. I recommend one of these for the left side because you don't have enough room. Either these or an extension. So this is what I'm doing here. Take this, put it on here, and loosen it up. I'm doing this all in one hand because I'm holding the camera, so forgive me. I don't usually do this, but I didn't see any videos on how to replace one of these. When I read about it, it's pretty simple. Okay, we got that on. It's wiggling. Should be fine. And then this side, I'm gonna use my impact. Whoa, this thing is pretty tight. This guy does not want to come off. Nice. Got it. Yeah, and again, loop this thing with WD-40 at least a day before, drive it, and then it should be smooth. From what I've heard, that part was the hardest. Not really, I didn't think so. So, get that out. Okay, next point is this guy. So, I didn't want to do this because I thought this was compressed and it was gonna like shoot downwards or upwards. So, I didn't really want to do this. I'm gonna give it to someone else to do it. But then I read about it and it doesn't move, so we're good to go. Get yourself one of these. These are awesome. Cost me $1.75. Open up a card with Home Depot. Give me $75 off. Hey, I go to Home Depot all the time anyway, so it's cool. All right, next stop is this bad boy. Oh shoot, I don't have enough room for the impact gun. And it's a star. So the one that will fit is size. 1/16 star. Should work. Let me see if I could raise the cart maybe more. Just enough or what? Let's go a little bit more. All right. Shit. And that's that. Okay, it's all out. All we gotta do is wiggle it out. So we need the hammer. You gotta put this on before you start hammering. Or else you'll mess up the bids. It won't come up. Alright. It's not coming off. There we go. That did it, didn't it? You guys see it? Just popped it right out. Gotta put that bulb in. This is important. If you don't put this in, like, you might mess that up. Okay. And now is the fun part. You gotta wiggle it out. You can turn the wheel maybe, but I think I've heard that it just comes off pretty easy. By far, I would say this was the most easiest part I have pulled out. Pretty simple, straightforward, nothing special. So this what they told me was making noise. Took it to BMW and they told me that there's too much free play on here. It was making a bad cracking noise. Right? Now you just put it back on the way you pull it out. That's it. Okay? Send me your questions if you have any. Comment below. Like, subscribe. I appreciate that share. I know a lot of people probably trying to do this work, but I didn't find any videos. All I found was some comments on the web on how to do this, but no videos. I like videos. I like watching videos and doing stuff. Hopefully this will help you guys, okay? Be safe out there. And I gotta do the same thing for the other side. Shouldn't be too bad. They quote me at almost $1,500 to do this. Yeah, it just cost me, I would say. So I did a $200 diagnostics at BMW. They told me where the problem was. Then I got a real BMW part for 2 of them for $200. That's it. Cost me $400 to do the whole thing, and about maybe 2 hours, I would say. Well, an hour to pull out this part. I'm calculating both sides, so it'll probably take me about 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.